Good morning, everyone. We all know we are celebrating World Environment Day every year on 5th of June. Did you ever think what is the importance of it and why is it celebrated? Today, I would like to talk about our environment, its importance, and why the World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June. First question is, what is environment? The environment is the real world that has the living as well as non-living types of surrounding. So, environment is our surrounding. Every living and non-living things are environment. The environment has a complete cycle to maintain the proper balance on earth. It is celebrated to remind us to take care of environment. Environment gives us most important things to live life like oxygen, water, food, etc. So we should keep our environment clean and safe. For that, we should plant more trees, save water and minimize use of plastic. It's my humble request to all, please save natural resources for next generation. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.